Okay, so today we are going to talk more about optimizing area and perimeter. Let's do our first question here. We have a hobby farmer is creating a fenced exercise area for her horses. She has 900 meters of flexible fencing and wishes to maximize the area. So the first thing they're asking us is to find the maximum area that she can enclose to make a rectangular training area. The second part is asking us to find the maximum area she can enclose if she makes a circular training area. So we have two shapes that we're doing, and often you'll do this in design. You want to experiment with different shapes to see which one works the best. Now, for the one that says rectangular, we know from 2 days ago the principle that said a square will always optimize your area if you have a fixed perimeter. Now, our second one, we have our circle. And I'm going to write down all of the equations that I have for each one. I'm going to call this S for side, and then I've labeled this as R for radius. So my first equation is for perimeter. I know that the perimeter is 900 meters, but I also know that the perimeter here is side plus side plus side plus side, or we could say 4 sides, 4 times S. The second equation I know is that area of a square would be the 2 sides multiplied together, and in this case, it's S squared. So I'm going to first combine these two equations so that I can substitute it into the area equation to maximize it. So I have 900 meters is equal to 4S. Let's rearrange this equation to solve for S. So S is equal to 900 divided by 4. Throw it into your calculator or do it in your head, and we have 225. Okay, so we take 225 and we're going to put it back in to our area equation to optimize it. So I have area is equal to 225 to the power 2. Okay, this one I can't do from my head, so I'll put it into my calculator. There. 225 to the power 2 is equal to 50,625 meters squared. And that's the maximum area that I could get if I make a square shape. Now let's look at our second one. The second one is a circle. Once again, I'm going to put the equations that I have for the perimeter and the area. So we know that the perimeter is equal to 900 meters. And we also remember that the special name for the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. So perimeter is 900 meters, and the perimeter or the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The other thing I know is the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So our first step, we are going to take our perimeter equation and substitute the values we have in. So I have 900 is equal to 2 pi r. Let's rearrange it so that I have my radius. Radius is equal to 900 divided by 2 pi. Let's throw that into our calculator. 900 divided by 2 times 3.14. 143.3. 100. That's the radius that I have when I have a circumference of 900. So now to get the area, I'm going to substitute it back in there. So we have area is equal to pi times 143.3 to the power 2. Let's put that into our calculator. Pi 3.14 times radius 143.3 to the power 2. 64,479.55. Round it to 0.6. So comparing our two answers, we see that the circle has a larger area.